So students, now we will do an activity. There is comparison of sliding friction or rolling friction. So all of you well acquainted with what is rolling friction and what is sliding friction. Now let us compare between of these two friction with the help of an activity. Okay. So what we have to do, firstly take a pulley and using a clamp we have to fix this pulley at the edge of the table, right? After that you have to take a wooden box and tie it with the help of a string and tie it . After that take a basket and the same string you have to tie with the basket, right? Now you have to pass the string tied to the wooden block and to the basket as shown through the pulley. Now you have to put one by one iron nails in the basket, right? You have to note it down or keep one thing in mind, that do not touch the basket when you are putting iron nails in the basket, right? So just put these iron nails one by one into the basket and observe this wooden block also when you are performing the activity. So see, we have to observe the instance when wooden block move, right? We have to note that, right? After that we have to note the number of iron nails that are collected in the basket. So at this point number of nails which are collected in the basket are 33 as you see. Okay. Now we have to take 3 cylindrical wooden stick as you see, right, and place these cylindrical sticks under the wooden box perpendicular to the direction of the motion, right? And after that we will repeat the same activity which we have done before. Okay, then put one by one iron nails in the basket. So we just put the iron nails in the basket without touching it, and also see when the wooden box begins to move, right? After that we will count the number of nails which is collected in the basket. So that are number of nails are 13 in this case. So what do we observed from here? So in the previous case the number of iron nails were more, right? So during sliding number of nails were around 33, right? Or during rolling as you see number of nails are 13, right? So what we can say, it is because more force is required when the wooden block is sliding, right? Means when we slide something we have to apply more force over the object as compared to rolling, right? As you see, this wooden box is rolling over the stick So that's why it requires less force as compared to sliding, right? So less force is required when the wooden block is rolling. So I hope this is clear. So that is why what we can say from here, we can say that rolling friction is less than sliding friction.